Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nupur here and I am a makeup expert based out of Gurgaon. Here I am at my academy and today I am going to discuss with you something very important that we do every year. The new year is approaching. It's now the end of December and we will have some new makeup trends coming in 2022. So this video is all about understanding what are the makeup trends which are coming now in 2022. Last 2 years have been really very down because everybody was at home. We were not doing anything. It was all lockdown situation due to COVID. We were not able to do much. But now the mood has changed. Everybody wants to be happy. They want that everything should be very bright. So the bright colors are coming in trend now. Everything will have some bright tones coming in. Today in this video I am going to discuss three major trends which are going to rule the 2022, and that's how we are going to work on our makeup looks in our normal day-to-day wear, in party wear, even in bridals. So let's have a look and see what are those interesting trends which are going to come in 2022. Three main trends which are now trending and will take on the 2022 are: first, the graphic liner. Now the liners are coming in various different shapes and the graphic liner is a lot in. The normal day-to-day wear and the party looks are now dictating the graphic liner. We see a lot of graphic liners now coming in trend. Even when we do makeups for stage, for drama, theater, we are now doing a lot of graphic liners. The second thing which I'm going to talk to you about is the color of the year 2022. This is a very beautiful, very refreshing blue, but a blue with a red undertone. This color reflects a little purple tone and it's a very beautiful, refreshing color, very dynamic color. So I'm going to create a eye look with this beautiful color. The third trend which I'm going to talk to you about is a fairy liner. This fairy liner comes in various different colors, but the most trending color which is going to happen in 2022 will be white. The fairy liner is the liner which just trails towards the end and it's just not so much visible. It comes in various different shapes and sizes. There is no rule on how to make it. So you can go on with anything which comes in your mind. Just go on full with your creativity. So let's start and see. So I have my beautiful modern hair Kalpana. I am going to showcase the three different trends on her. And let's start. I will start with my skin preparation, base application, and then we will go on to the eye makeup. So the skin will be very minimalistic. It will be very natural, and that's how the trend is going to be in 2022. We are done with all the cakey and heavy foundation looks. So let's do a very natural minimalistic look for the foundation also. I'll start with spraying a little water on her face. Water always works very well in hydrating the skin. This is the first step for my makeup. Now I am going to use this new Smog Block Organic Rot Primer as well as a hydrant. It's a very beautiful product and it really smoothens out the skin very nicely. So I am taking a little quantity. If the skin is too oily, then put very little quantity. But Kalpana has very dry skin, so I am going to put it nicely. It's a very nice organic product. It makes the skin also very nice. It's a good skincare product also, and it works very well as a primer. Now I am going to apply the Forever 52 Ultra Foundation with my stippling brush. This brush gives a very natural and very light finish. So I want to keep the base very subtle, natural and very minimalistic. So I'll take a little foundation on my stippling brush and just dab it very lightly all over the face. I'll do my concealing later on the areas, only on those areas where I feel I require it. Otherwise, I like to avoid concealing. This keeps the skin very fresh. The skin will breathe. use the Maybelline concealer on the under eye area only. Just a little bit, and I'll use a small beauty blender and just blend it. Now I'll fix the concealer as well as the foundation with my translucent powder. Just a very little product and dabbing it first under the eye and then on the face. So it gives a very nice fresh look on the face. This will be the trend in 2022 because the past 2-3 years have been with lot of foundation and it was resulting in lot of cakiness. Now the things have changed and the looks are now coming more minimalistic and natural. So it looks very beautiful and our skin looks like skin and fresh, and as you can see there is no product coming out on my hands also. It's a beautiful way to use the foundation. So now I'll be showcasing you the first trend for 2022, which is the graphic liner. We'll be applying the graphic liner here, and before we apply the graphic liner, I am going to use the MAC eye primer and prime her eyes. I'll just brush her eyebrow lightly, use my eye primer. Done. Now we'll do a nice graphic liner. So this is the graphic liner look. I have done it on one eye. Now I'm going to show it to you on the other eye. This is also like an inverted cat eye look. So here we finished with our first trend for a graphic liner, and it's a combination of graphic liner with an inverse cat eye, a reverse cat eye. Now we are going to the second trend, which is a very beautiful fairy liner in white. Just go wild with your creativity, whatever you want to draw.
This love, I'll never let it die. Can't be touched by no one. I like to see them try.
third trend, which is the color of the year 2022 eye makeup look. It's a blue. It's called Very Peri. So this is the beautiful blue color, and it's a very refreshing and dynamic color, and I'm going to show you an eye makeup look with that color. I'll just start by applying a matte this eyeshadow all over the upper crease area of the eyes. I'll also apply a little highlighter. It's a nice pop eye color look which can be carried in summers as well as in winters. Now I'm going to use this color. This is my Crown palette, and this is very close to the Very Peri blue shade. I'm going to contrast this eye color makeup look with a nice blush today. This is almost a matte finish with a very little shine, very subtle shine, as you can see. Just blending with the little brown tone. And I'm going to apply a very thin, nice black liner. I'm using the In Color gel liner with my angular brush, just lifting it a bit at the corner. Since Kalpana has a little hooded eyes, I decided that I'll not make the thin but a little thicker liner so that it's visible. I'm almost creating a cat eye effect here. Yeah, that's nice. And I'll just finish it with loads of mascara.
Baby, this love, I'll never let it die. Can't be touched by no one. I like to see him try. I'm a madman for your touch, girl, I've lost control.
So I hope you enjoyed the 3 different trends which I have just shown you. Let me know which one did you like the most. Try it on, create some beautiful makeup with these 3 different trends. Since COVID was there in 2020 and 2021, 2022 will see an era where we will be doing a lot of eye makeup, but still the makeup will be minimalistic. The makeup will be very natural. Even the foundations will be very minimalistic. So I hope you like these trends and do try them on. Let me know in your comments how do you like it. Take care and wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year.